people, how are you? Welcome back to Event Tip Thursday. My name is Marion Ubura from Majestic Events. Today, I'm not even giving you a tip. I'm just saying, exhibition planners, beware, beware, beware. This is for those of you who plan exhibitions. And today I'm talking because I normally help my clients when they take part in other exhibitions, because that's how they get leads, that's how they get brand visibility. So what I'm going to say today is the things I've experienced over the last like 1 or 2 months, right? By supporting my clients and making sure that everything at the exhibition stand is looking good, the setup has been done well, marketing collateral is there and everything. So these are just some of the tips I have. Event planners who plan exhibitions, please listen. If you know anyone who is who is in a church and they normally have exhibitions, please share this video with them, or stay and listen until the very end. If you know a company that is not really an events company, but they normally run the exhibitions themselves, please tell them to listen to this, okay? So stay tuned. The first thing I want to say is, one, please have a team that is big enough to handle all the inquiries that you'll be getting. We had an opportunity to take part at an exhibition, and there were over 70 exhibitors, and we were trying to find out from them some information, like send us the floor plan. We would like to know where you've placed our clients. Are we at a corner? Because that obviously affects the setup, or are we in the middle? Like, share, you know, we need some information. Is there this, is there that? And these people would never call back. No one was picking up their calls. No one was returning messages or replying or responding to messages. And so a lot of things were left to the day before the event, which we all know is too late. So I know sometimes people would say, if you have a big exhibition and you only give one number and you have like 80, 100 people, it's very likely that person will get overwhelmed. So all I'm just saying is maybe have 2 or 3 other people who can handle inquiries, because as a client, as somebody who is looking for information, if I don't get the information, I will get frustrated, and then it will end up affecting you on the day when you're planning the exhibition. So that's the first thing. The second thing, make sure you have a PowerPoint in this day and age. Make sure the stands have PowerPoint. Why? Because people want to project. They want to use their screens. They want to work, if you're taking leads and it's tech oriented, or even if you just want to show people your previous work, you probably have it on your laptop or your tablet, and you're there for like 2-3 days. Please have your PowerPoints, and please do the PowerPoints on time as well. I was at an exhibition where the PowerPoints were sorted like late in the afternoon. I mean, we've already lost so many hours, okay? So that's 2. 3, please, if you're doing the setup, whether it's indoors, whether it's outdoors, make sure the tents or the booth stands are set up in good time, and let people know what time they can come. You see, when you don't give that information, like even 3 days to the event or 3 days to the expo, you are messing up your exhibitors. Honestly, because there's so much that is happening. There's collateral that needs to be done. There's working on how is the setup going to look like? How are we gonna work with these leads? What else are we going to do while we're at the stand? There's so much going on that if you give this information to us late, we will be frustrated and we will not have a very good experience. I'm talking as a client and also as an event planner. So please just make sure that you give us that information, please. Very important. The other one is, let me see. Please return calls. I know I've said it. Just return. That's what you're there for. You're there to answer our queries. You're there to answer our questions. So if you get 10 missed calls, sit down, respond to those calls. That's what you're there for. So when you keep quiet and you're responding, you're not helping us. And chances are, when you come looking for me next year to be at the same expo, right? I will not do it simply because you were not very cooperative, right? So those are just some of the things that I felt that we've experienced that over the last 2 months that I was like, no. I have to talk about this, yeah? Have your information there. Relay the right information. Always take inquiries. Make sure there are PowerPoints, as simple as that. Make sure people also know, another good one, where are the restrooms? On your floor plan. You do yourself a disservice. We don't know the place. So just say the restrooms are here. Do a nice schematic and don't just focus only on the stands. Or if you must do that, then have some other information in another sheet or a document that says where this can be. All right. Exhibitions are good, and the reason why we always tell our clients to go for them, it's especially if it's the right target audience, it's the best way to get leads. One of the best way to get leads, because not only do you get to brand visibility, but you get to interact with the people that you want to sell to, and you're able to tweak your message accordingly. If a client says this, you can craft the message so that it applies to them. So exhibitions are important, and so I felt that I needed to come here today and just give a few pointers. It's not even what do you call it? Technical stuff. It's literally common sense that I think we always forget about. That would make the experience of an exhibitor really cool if you just watched out for them. So exhibitors, or rather exhibition planners, event planners, I hope this is very useful to you. If it is, right, please let me know in the comments below, and then please add other tips, please, because I've just mentioned like 3 or 4 things. I'm sure you guys have a lot more experience. I'm sure you guys have attended other exhibitions, and you have things that you think they should have done this, they should have done that. Please let us know what those things are so we can all learn together. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Bye.